to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Angry Birds. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this game, you're gonna need a few items. So I got a piece of paper, I folded it in half, and then I folded it again into fourths, and then from the fourths, I made it straight, and then I folded it in half one more time. So that's gonna be our bird. You do need a rubber band. You can use a resistance band. You can use anything that's gonna be like a catapult, so definitely use that. You'll need a chair and a bucket or a laundry basket, something that you're gonna be able to shoot the item into the target. All right, so for this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a 1-minute challenge. We're gonna see how many times we get our Angry Birds inside of the bucket. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'm gonna go and demonstrate. All right, I'm gonna put 1 minute on the clock. As you can see, I have my rubber band here. I'm gonna place it right on the string of both, and then I'm gonna shoot it out and try to make it in. 2, 1, go. One. Two. All right, here Jordan goes. 1 minute challenge starting now. 3, 2, 1, go. Good try, almost there. Oh, hit the rim. Oh, there's one. 10 seconds left. Well, we hope you enjoyed that game of Angry Birds. A very fun game for the whole family. Make sure you guys stay tuned for future content. And please, 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 please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know, what was your highest score? How'd you guys feel about the game? Let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.